What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to remove the red dot from your phone app icon on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your iPhone, make sure to close your phone app and prevent it from running in the background. When this is done, open up your Settings application. Here, scroll down and tap on Notifications. In your notification settings, scroll down until you can find the phone app. Proceed to disable the badges option. After disabling this setting, head back to your main settings and tap on General. In your General settings, select Software Update. Download the latest update in case there's one available to you. You will be prompted to restart your iPhone once the update is downloaded. A device restart can also help fix the red dot on your phone icon. Lastly, head back to your notification settings. Under Home, you can re-enable the badges option, which will remove the red dot and fix the notification bug on your iOS device. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.